So welcome back to me. I'm back on the channel for a long time. How you all doing? So first off, I'll start with a story. But obviously you have seen the title. But let's just pretend as if we don't know the title. But let me go back in time, 3 weeks back. So 3 weeks back, this little raider sitting around here was really sick. So I had too many symptoms. Symptoms like long story short, the symptoms were similar to like someone who has cancer. And believe me or not, I actually did a video, trying to like beg people to like give me money, give me your money, let me check whether I have cancer. But not that I'm making fun of the fact of it, but like that's scenario, picture it in your head, like, oh, you think you have cancer? This. So long story short, I went and did test, and they discovered it's lost for um illness or disease, which are typhoid infection, ulcer, and what's the last one? Malaria. So yeah, but believe me or not, I'm so glad that my network spoiled that day I was about to post that video, because you all need to see the song. Give me your money, I wanna treat cancer. I think I have cancer. I do not wanna die. Oh, give me your money, I need it. I think that I have cancer. I need your money. Yep, that's not actually the song, but it just came on my head. But yeah, flow with it. So that alone gave me a wake up call. If I had it, I know that, trust me or not, they don't have money to treat that. They don't have money to sustain it. If I had had it, what have I done in this life that will be remembered as this is what I was? So come to think of it, like let's check out this channel's, history. I wanted to do affiliate marketing. Do I want to be known as the guy that did affiliate marketing? How is that changing? I didn't bring something new. I had to bring something new. I have to be known for something, you know? And that experience alone gave me that target of trying to be known for something, which is why I checked in the long term if I want to do affiliate marketing. Will I be known for someone who will freaking do affiliate marketing? That doesn't sit well. You see, affiliate marketing is not a skill, it's a sub skill. The main skill in affiliate marketing is the skill to know how to persuade, which is copywriting. But do I want to be known as someone who does copywriting? Nah. So, which is why, you know, I hope I'm hitting all the points here. So I didn't want to be, also identified as someone who, use sickness to like, blow up on YouTube, because that goes well. People who like say I have cancer, I have this major disease, they tend to blow up. And I didn't want to be identified at like, seriously, like I'm so glad my network failed me that day. I literally was uploading it. It's reached like 60%, then the network just crashed the whole I'm so glad about it. But at the same time, whatever you do, think not only at the short term but at the long term. Okay, let's give people who use how do you call it? Use sickness as or let me on this. People who use sickness as or reason to like blow on you. But trust me, they're not using it. They actually need help. But I don't want to be identified like that. And that is one of the reasons that hindered me from posting the video. But I was actually posting it, but network helped me. Because if you check those people who are like, oh, I have this illness, you'll discover that the video that the most popular video on the channel is the one that they post that they have sickness, and maybe the one who is closer to that popularity will be the one that they are showing the updates. But trust me, I didn't want it to go on that line and farm views just because of the sickness, and that's not how it's supposed to be. you have to work hard in your parts to, like, be able to cover those bills. You have to be valuable enough to be in a position where someone will be ashamed to pay you $10,000 a week. They will be very ashamed because you are more valuable than that. That's exactly why, I wanted to learn affiliate marketing, AI engineering. Damn, what the hell? Affiliate marketing. Well, a brief story about affiliate marketing. I ended up buying a course of affiliate marketing thinking my story is going to change. But look at me. I'm still the same raider. It's not going to change. It's you that's going to change it. Trust me. They'll just give you things that are already in the internet for free. I literally wasted money buying the course. So AI engineering. When it, if you realize when they're talking about skills online, they're talking about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, copywriting. They will never tell you career path skills to learn. They will never tell you something about that because they say it's much harder. But one thing you have to know is the harder it is, the more it pays, bro. So I don't want to be only like, because I love coding. I love, I want to explore more of, coding, understand the way they build apps, not using AI and all the stuffs. But AI engineering is kind of niched down. But, we're going to go in that path regardless. So these are, trust me, I'm not going to go one part of locking in only on AI engineering. If it's a career path, I'm going locking in on AI engineering. I'm not doing any other thing. But in a broader view, I want to be known as, Raider in entertainment, which is I'm also doing live streaming, obviously. But not on this channel. This channel is gonna be based on, my journey. I'm also gonna go into music. Just wait, bro. I want to explore life. I don't want to listen to what people say to structure my life. I'm gonna do me and do what I want, and that's what you are supposed to do. Do what you want, bro. Ain't nobody gonna, you know, pick you up when you're down. It's only you that's gonna pick yourself, and that's why you should do what you are supposed to do with yourself. Do what you want, and pursue your passion, bro. I'm not gonna be like, oh, people say you have to be focused. It is better to be the Ben that knows everything, but it's not a master of it. I don't care if I'm not a master of anything I'm pursuing, but as far as I'm doing it and I do what I love, it's what is much more important to me. So to be honest, if that sickness didn't happen, I won't be here talking to you. I won't come back to this channel that I've abandoned for so long. I won't even think about, coming back here to be like, oh yeah, AI engineering and shit. But trust me, this AI engineering shit, it didn't just come as a, I've always wanted it. I always saw it in the comments of, I was just like browsing through Reddit, and some when you just search something concerning a particular thing, I was like, how I invested my money wrongly, because I wanted to learn from mistakes, because we tend to learn from mistakes more than, a strategy. And trust me, success is 100% 95% mindset and 5% strategy. That's what I believe. But here's the thing. Whilst I was going through it, there was someone was talking about portfolio of how I, invested $10K and lost everything 100K. Then under the comment of what he said on his Reddit, story, he was like, I kind of, got through the mortgage and shit, I covered it up by learning AI engineering. I made about 20 lakhs. That is like in their Indian rupees, 20 LKS. Because I know one LKS is like about 1 million. 20 LKS, I think it's 20. I'm not sure, but I know it's that range. Not only the money, the monetary side was, what pulled me to it, but also, at least I know that that's a skill to learn, That's a skill that's gonna pay more. That's a skill that you're gonna enjoy. You're not gonna enjoy the process because I've heard a lot of, stuff, a YouTube video where you start and you're gonna be like, if you wanna be a dude behind the computer, retarded and shit, and sitting down all day doing your stuffs, this is not for you. But I just scale through it. Regardless, you don't want to use people's opinions to like make your decisions. But that's why it's called your decisions and not a collective decision. What you decide is what you face. You're gonna take the repercussions later when you take the decision. So that's just it, bro. Raider is back. Raider is back into the monetary side of this, and stay tuned, y'all. And yeah, don't forget, I need the money. I think I have an illness to make money. Peace out, y'all. Stay safe out there. This black ass gonna see you later.